Taj, the most admired masterpiece in the world. It was commissioned by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1632 to host the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. Construction started in 1632 and the mausoleum was completed in 1643 and the entire work in 1653. The estimated cost of Taj at the time was around 3.2 crores, which would now be approximately 7,000 crores. There is a staircase which leads us to the base structure. Taj Mahal incorporates and expands on the design traditions of Persian and earlier Mughal architectures. Shah Jahan promoted the use of white marble inlaid with semi precious stones. Each surface area has its unique decoration of flowers and plant carvings. It is believed that over 1,000 elephants, 22,000 laborers, painters, embroidery artists, and stone cutters worked very hard to shape Taj Mahal. White marble was bought from Rajasthan, jasper from Punjab, crystal from China, sapphire from Sri Lanka. Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan's fifth and youngest son, imprisoned him there. Shah Jahan used to look at Taj Mahal from his cell through the window, remembering his great role. He died 8 years after Aurangzeb took the throne. Front side main entrance to the Taj, we have a water pool reflecting the Taj. There is another gate to the east and the entire construction is surrounded by huge red sandstone walls. Behind Taj, we have river Yamuna, giving us a very spectacular view from the other side. The central focus of the complex is the tomb. The large hall together with the lower tomb chamber and the outer dome above forms the core of the building. Even sound was put to the task of eternity through one of the longest echoes of any building in the world. The hall has the form of a perfect octagon 24 feet to a side. The most spectacular feature is the marble dome that surmounts the tomb. The dome is called Onion Dome. It is perfectly symmetrical. The top is decorated with a lotus design. The decoration is a clear example of integration of traditional Persian and Hindustani elements. Taj Mahal attracts a large number of tourists every year. 10 million people visit Taj every year. In a poll to select 7 wonders of the world, Taj stood at first place with 100 million votes. The complex is open for night viewing on the day of full moon, excluding Fridays and the month of Ramadan. The world's most perfect building doesn't disappoint in any way. Your eyes are filled with joy when you see the magnificent monument. For almost 400 years, the government of India has been protecting it. These are all the prohibited items that you cannot take inside the Taj. I got an opportunity to visit Taj during Holi, the festival of colors, widely celebrated in India. Even in history, during the Mughal rule, people from all castes could throw color on the emperor. There were several paintings of Mughal emperors celebrating Holi. People are often seen drenched in colors here. Peta is a special sweet available in Agra.